Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn the dark mode on or off within the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to turn the app into dark mode or change it into light mode if you are already in it, then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner. On this page, tap on account settings. And now, within this page, you will need to tap on preferences. Now, within the preferences menu, underneath app theme, just tap on the drop down menu. And now you can choose between light as well as the dark mode. Choose whichever option you wish to use, and it will apply this effect within the application right away. And you can come back into this menu to change the setting at any time. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable dark mode on the Twitch app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.